In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Calendly from Outlook in just about 5 minutes. Many professionals rely on Calendly to streamline their appointment scheduling directly within their calendars. However, there comes a time when you might need to disconnect this integration, maybe for a switch to another platform, or simply because you're no longer in need of its services. Whatever your reasons, today I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as smooth as possible. First off, why don't we start at the very beginning? Open your preferred web browser and head over to Calendly's homepage. You can do this by typing Calendly.com, into your address bar. Once there, you'll notice the site's clean layout, inviting you to either sign up or log in. Since you're here to disconnect it from Outlook, you'll already have an account. Hence, go ahead and click on the login button found on the top right corner of the page. Upon clicking the login button, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, Calendly gives you several options to continue. For most of us, logging in with Google is the quickest route, especially if that's how you initially set it up. Click on Continue with Google, and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account that's associated with your Calendly account. It's crucial to select the correct one here to proceed smoothly. After selecting your Google account, you might have to grant permissions or simply proceed directly if you've already done so in the past. Now, with the login process out of the way, we dive into the meat of today's task. Head back to the main interface of Calendly by clicking on your account name or the Home option, whatever appears on your screen, to navigate to your dashboard. Once you're there, look for a section titled Integrations and Apps. This section is dedicated entirely to the services and applications that Calendly can connect to, including our target for today, the Outlook calendar. Click on Integrations and Apps to proceed. As you find yourself on the Integrations page, you'll be faced with a plethora of connection options that Calendly offers. To find Outlook easily, look for the Manage button, which is typically located right next to the Outlook integration. Clicking on Manage will take you closer to disconnecting the platforms. Once inside the Outlook calendar integration area, you'll see detailed information about your connection, including the option to manage or, in our case, disconnect. Look for an icon that usually symbolizes deletion, often a trash bin or a minus sign, next to your connected Outlook calendar. By clicking on this delete icon, Calendly will ask for confirmation. This step exists as a safeguard against accidental disconnections, ensuring you're fully aware of the step you're about to take. Confirm that you wish to disconnect Calendly from your Outlook calendar. It's worth mentioning that this action doesn't delete any pre-existing appointments, but will prevent any new Calendly appointments from being automatically added to your Outlook calendar. And there you have it. You've successfully removed Calendly from your Outlook. This process, while straightforward, might have slightly different navigation paths depending on updates to the Calendly or Outlook interfaces. However, the core steps remain largely the same: logging in, navigating to integrations, selecting Outlook, and finally removing the connection. Before we wrap up, let's talk briefly about what to do post-disconnection. You may want to consider exploring other scheduling tools if you still need an automated way to manage appointments, or if you're simplifying your digital toolkit. Now might be a good moment to review other integrations and ensure your tech stack aligns with your current needs. Disengaging Calendly from Outlook is a hassle-free process that primarily requires navigating through menus and confirming your choices. By following the steps we've discussed, you can ensure your digital scheduling tools work best for your current workflow, whatever that might look like. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. Whether you're tidying up your digital tools or transitioning to a different scheduling platform, the flexibility to adapt your tools is key to a smooth and efficient workflow. See you in the next tutorial.